Today I will share to you a great book, Discover 3, Oxford Read and Discover, with the name Amazing Minibeasts. Introduction. There are millions of different types of minibeasts. They can be many different shapes and sizes. Some are very small, some are colorful, and some have lots of legs. They live in different places all over the world. 1. Minibeast. A minibeast is a small animal with no backbone. It's an invertebrate. There are many different types of minibeasts. Scientists put them into different groups. The biggest group is the arthropods. The arthropods have 6 or more legs. Some arthropods are insects. Insects have 6 legs. There are more than 1 million types of insects. Some examples are beetles, and ants, flies, and grasshoppers. Some arthropods are arachnids. Arachnids have 8 legs. Scorpions and spiders are arachnids. Some arthropods are myriapods. They have lots of legs. Centipedes and millipedes are myriapods. Centipedes have 2 legs on each body section. Millipedes have 4 legs on each body section. Some minibeasts don't have legs. Snails and slugs don't have legs. There are mollusks. Earthworms and leeches don't have legs. Their body have lots of sections. They are annelids. With minibeasts, do you know? Here, this is arthropods. These are insects we know. Here is beetles are insects. Fly, grasshopper, and ant. Grasshopper, scorpion, spider, millipedes, and centipedes. Snails, slug, leech, and earthworm. Number 2. Insect bodies. Most insects' bodies have 3 parts: a head, a thorax, and an abdomen. The head has eye and a mouth. The thorax has legs and wings. Insects don't have any bones, but they have a hard cover. This hard cover is called an exoskeleton. Insects grow, but their exoskeleton can't grow. When an exoskeleton is too small, it comes up. Then the insects grow a new, bigger exoskeleton. Here, this is the exoskeleton. It's small cicada, and it's come exoskeleton, and when it's come out, is called the bigger cicada. Insects can use their bodies to hide from birds and other animals. They don't want the other animals to eat them. This is called camouflage. Some insects have bright color. Animals don't eat any insects that is black, white, and red. It isn't usually good to eat. Sometimes it's poisonous. 3. Insect senses. Most insects have 2 very big eyes. They can see clearly, but they can see things move very well. Some insects have extra eyes that can only see light and dark. Here is antennae and extra eyes, big eyes. Some minibeasts have antennae On their head, they use their antennae to feel and touch things. They can also smell food and other minibeasts with their antennae. Butterflies have very long tongue called a proboscis. They use their tongue to taste and drink nectar in flowers. Butterflies can also taste with their feet. Here is proboscis. Here. Most insects don't have ears on their head. Do you know where they are? They have ears on their bodies or their legs. Crickets have ears on the front legs. 4. Communication. Most male and female minibeasts communication with each other because they need to make new baby minibeasts. Some minibeasts communicate with sound. Grasshoppers can sing. They move their legs up and down to make singing sound. Some minibeasts communicate with smell. The female moth makes strong smells called pheromones. The male moth can smell the female with its antennae. Some minibeasts communicate with light. Fireflies can make light with their abdomen. Male and female fireflies flash their lights to each other. Some minibeasts communicate to give each other information. Bees dance to tell other bees where there is food. Ants touch each other antennae to head to give information about food or danger. 5. Baby minibeasts. Most baby minibeasts come from eggs. Some minibeasts, like slugs and earthworms, lay their eggs in soil. Other minibeasts, like butterflies and beetles, lay their eggs on plant. Scorpions don't lay eggs. They have live baby. The baby scorpions travel on their mother back. The babies of some flying insects look like their parents, but they don't have any wings. Baby grasshoppers don't have any wings. Then they grow wings when they get bigger. Some babies are larvae. Beetle, butterfly, and bee babies are larvae. After a few weeks, they become pupae. Then they become insects with wings, like their parents. Here is a life cycle of a butterfly. First, they are an egg. Then they become a larva. Then they become a pupae. And the last one is a butterfly we see.
Beautiful butterfly.
6. Working insects. Some insects work together in groups. Leafcutter ants work together. First, they find leaves. They carry the leaves to their nest. Fungus grows from the leaves, and then the ants eat the fungus. Honeybees work together too. One queen bee lays all the eggs. Then the female worker bees care for the bee larva. They look for food. They make honey from nectar, and they give honey to bee larvae. They keep the honey in honeycombs inside the hive. The worker bees also clean the hive. 7. Minibeast homes. Some minibeasts, like earthworms and ants, live underground and others live in water. Dragonflies that lay their eggs on leaves in the water. Their larvae live underwater. Snails carry their home on their back. They live in many different places. Land snails live in deserts, mountains, forests, and gardens. Marine snails live in the ocean. Lots of minibeasts make nests. Some wasps make nests from wasp paper. They make the paper from wood and saliva. The queen wasps lay eggs in the nest. The nest has lots of small rooms for the wasp larvae. Wasps attack other animals to protect their nest. This is a wasp's nest. A wasp's nest can have about 10,000 wasps inside. 8. Spiders. Spiders have 2 body parts and 8 legs. They have 6 or 8 eyes. All spiders can make silk. Some spiders use silk to make webs. Insects fly into the web. Then the spider eats the insects. Some spiders hunt. The wolf spider hides in leaves. Then it jumps out and catches insects, mice, and frogs. A spider can only eat liquid food. It bites an animal with poison that makes the animal liquid inside. Then the spider drinks the liquid. Female spiders are often much bigger than male spider. Here is a picture of a spider eating an insect in a nest. It's called a web. 9. Problems with minibeasts. Some minibeasts can sting. The part that can sting is called stinger. A wasp and an ant can sting again and again. A bee can only sting once, then it dies. Here is a stinger. Have poisonous in it. Other minibeasts can bite. Some spiders have a poisonous bite, and other animals can die from this poison. A person can die from the bite of black widow spider. Minibeasts can also make people sick. They can bite people and give them diseases. Mosquitoes can give people a very bad disease called malaria. Some minibeasts make problems for farmers. Locusts are a type of grasshopper, and they eat a lot of food crops. Other minibeasts make problems in our homes. Some moths eat clothes, and some beetles eat wood. 10. Useful minibeasts. Minibeasts are important food for many other animals. Fish, frogs, bats, and birds eat minibeasts. Insects help plants grow. Insects visit different flowers to collect food. The pollen from one flower sticks to their body of the insects. When the insects go to another flower, the pollen falls onto this flower. The flower uses this pollen to make seeds. Then a new plant grows. This is called pollination. Earthworms help soil and plants. When they move through the soil, they let air and water in. Plants' roots need the air and water. Bees give up honey and silkworms give us silk. Silkworms make silk cocoons. When they become pupae, people use silkworm cocoons to make silk fabric. Minibeasts are amazing. They are also very useful. People, animals, and plants all need Minibeasts to live. It's over. Please like, share, and subscribe for me. Thank you.